Hello, in today's short information video, we'll be talking about ChatGPT for e-commerce. So, let's get started. ChatGPT is a state-of-the-art language model developed by OpenAI. It is core ChatGPT. It's designed to understand and respond to natural language queries. In other words, it can understand the way humans speak and respond in kind. So, how does ChatGPT work? It's actually quite simple. All you have to do is type in your question and query in the chat box, and ChatGPT will analyze your input and provide you with the relevant answers and recommendations. Now, it's important to understand what ChatGPT is not. Firstly, ChatGPT is not a human. While it can understand natural language queries, it's not capable of understanding nuances of human speech the way a human would. So, secondly, ChatGPT is not a replacement for a human customer support. While it can provide fast and accurate responses to a question, it doesn't have the empathy and understanding that a human customer support can offer. But despite those limits, ChatGPT still offers several benefits. Firstly, it can save you time and effort by providing your personalized recommendations and fast responses to your queries. Secondly, ChatGPT is available 24/7, which means you can help and assist whenever you need it, regardless of the time and day or night. Finally, ChatGPT can be a valuable tool for business looking to improve customer satisfaction and loyalty by providing personalized recommendation and fast, accurate responses to their customers. So, there you have it. ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can help you get fast and accurate responses to your queries and provide personalized recommendations. While it's not a replacement for a human customer support, it can still be a valuable addition to any e-commerce website or customer service options. So I asked ChatGPT another time for some benefits. You can read some benefits. You can ask ChatGPT yourself. And that's it for this quick informational video, guys, for today. Please leave a like and share and take a subscribe. It's free. And if you need some other tutorial or information video, we have it on the channel, or ask in the comments if you need something we can answer you and show you. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.